I already know better. 24K, got nothing on me. Make you want it forever.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are cleaning the Mom-mobile. Basically what I'm gonna be doing is starting by cleaning it out, then I will vacuum all the glass, wipe the dash down, all of that good stuff, and then I'll work on the outside. And on the outside I'm super excited because Super Clean reached out to me and they sent me their degreaser and also their Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. So I'm gonna be using this to scrub my wheels today. Super Clean's actually a product that my family uses pretty regularly, so I'm already familiar with it and I love the product. I was super excited whenever they reached out to me and sent me these. So y'all, let's go ahead and clean this filthy car. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by taking a look at the inside. Y'all, please don't judge. My life is always on the go. Seriously, like I'm in and out all the time, so I just take what I need into the house and then, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna start. Okay, this is my dash. You can see how dusty everything is. It's probably a mix of pollen and whatnot. Makeup, who knows? Aloha, that needs to be cleaned.
Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better, I'ma go.
All right, you guys. We've got tons of books, toys. Oh look, board games. Yeah, it's just so convenient to play board games in the car. I'm just kidding. I don't know. These have been been here for like 6 months, and I've just forgotten to take them in.
But I'm not around for hearing you out. I gave you too much, honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K, got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Tryna play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. But I already know better, I'ma go get her. And I got me on my own and I don't waste any time chasing a ghost who don't try. I'm top of the shelf, but you up yourself to somebody else. It's too late, don't really care about all you miss.
Just a FYI, you guys, it's extremely difficult to clean your car and film at the same time. Just thought I'd throw that out there.
Too much, honestly, and you closed the door. Now you're calling me, but I don't need you anymore. Yeah, I already know better. 24K, got nothing on me. Make you want it forever. Tryna play a game, but you don't play for keeps. Messing with a girl from the east side, yeah. Kinda love you, wanna build your dreams on, yeah. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Losing all my focus, I can't even control it. You know your lips are golden, baby, get me high. Touching me like lightning, yeah. Keeping it exciting. You know exactly what to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon.
I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up of how dirty my wheels are. So I'm going to go ahead and put the all-wheel cleaner from Super Clean on there. I'm going to spritz it on, let it sit about 30 seconds. I'm going to use a little bit of a brush to kind of agitate it a little bit, and then I'll rinse it off.
I never wanna
Now the great thing about Super Clean products is they actually do all the dirty work for you, so you don't have to scrub extra hard to get all that grime and buildup off. Now you do have to work pretty quickly. They suggest to not let the product sit on for more than 30 seconds. So you want to do 30 seconds or less and rinse, and you want to make sure that you only do one wheel at a time.
Wanna taste the clouds, dance with them. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a meteor shower, falling down all over me. Yeah, you're making me glow. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
And I got y'all this big old bottle of Tire Shine at the Dollar Tree for only $1, and it works awesome.
Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed.
Too many days in the darkness without a glimpse of the light. Running tired and broken and scared, but I swear I'll never give up the fight. I see you broken and beat, head pulled down over your eyes. Every part of you wants to surrender, but darling, you were meant to survive. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head. With every star, we are born again. Open your heart, spend less time in your head.
All right, you guys, well, we are officially all done cleaning the car. So much better. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to drop by in the comments and say hello and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And I will have all of Super Clean's information down below for you. So until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Stare